Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fix Roblox cursor going off your screen. So the first thing that you will have to do is close your Roblox or any and all running apps, and then what you will have to do is you will click your Roblox player, which is right here, and then you will click properties, and you will go to compatibility section, and then you will click disable full screen optimizations op- optimizations. And after you disable your full screen optimization, what you will have to do is click apply, and then you will go to your Roblox. So let's go again and launch a game. So for example, this game, wait for it to load. And then what you will have to do after loading your game is basically just go to your settings. So wait for it to load. And now that you've loaded it, you will go to your settings or Roblox menu. And then once you're on your settings, you will basically just go to the graphics. And then what you will do is you will toggle full screen on or off to actually test it. So yeah, that's basically just it. And adjust your graphics quality as well if needed. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.